Hello friends, in this video I'll be talking about the India Skills and World Skill competition and how to fill out the form for India Skill competition for this year. So the World Skill competition happens every 2 years. So this year it is happening in Shanghai, China, and in 2028 it will be happening in Japan. So before World Skill, India Skill happens and the gold team of the India Skill goes to represent India at World Skill level. So in India Skill, when you fill out the form, you will be called for district or state competition, and the top team of your state will be called for the regional competitions. So, in regional, north, south, east, west, and northeast, these are the regions. So, two teams for every region will be called for the national competition, and there are prizes at every stage like 75,000, 1 lakh, 25,000. These are the prizes. So for two teams from the regional will be called for the national competition. So there will be 8 to 10 teams in the national, and one team, the gold winner of the national competition, goes to the world skill to represent India. So the form for this year has been out, that will be discussed later, and there are 63 skills in this competition that I am going to show you. This is the list of 63 skill categories, which consist of carpentry to joinery, fashion technology, visual, digital interaction media, and many more things that you can read out. I have participated in Industry 4.0, and there is no additional eligibility criteria needed, additional or qualification. There is only one eligibility criteria, that is the age that you can see here. And the type of skills, there are some offsite and on-site skills. So off-site skill happen in some industrial area, and on-site skill happen at a common place, like it happened in Noida this year. So there are two types of skill also, where individual skill and team skill. So in team skill you need a partner, like there will be, in the team there will be two-person participating. So you can choose the skill of your interest and fill out the form. So let's discuss how to fill out the form. You need to download this app, Skill India Digital Hub, from Play Store. And when you open this, go to this more option, and you can see India Skills 2627. You need to go for the learner as participant, and when you log in you'll see a form, basic form, that you need to fill out, and then you will be called for the basic district or state level competition. And if you are participating in a team skill, then one person have to fill out this form and calling the other person to accept the request for as a partner. So this is the procedure, and if you find any difficulty or query, you can comment down in this video, and I'll attach the PDF of the skill in the description. Thanks for watching.